Hey guys, look what we have.
That's not real.
That's real. I thought it was not real a while ago. Oh, I'm
Honey,
sorry.
Don't.
Pull it out. You can pull that out.
Hello.
Don't weigh that much. I mean,
Oh my God, they are real. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I told you 3.
They were 4. Oh my God, this is so miracle. Don't.
Be careful.
careful,
Be careful.
honey.
Be careful. Oh,
And he
she's
shits
cool.
on it. That pisses. Boy, oh boy.
I think he's hurt. He's hurt.
Go and grab it and put it back. Hello.
He's going underneath the car.
I'm just so happy to see you guys. Soon you're going to fly, right? Where's mommy and daddy? Hey guys, look what we have in here. I thought it was fake. Oh my Lord, they're so lovely. Hello, babies.
He went up into a tree.
All right, leave him alone. He'll be all right.
Bye, guys. Love you so much. They're so cute. They're waiting for the mommy and daddy to herd them. I think they are not yet ready to fly. Can I grab one?
No, honey, please don't.
I will put back later.
No, honey, please. Your scent will go on the bird, then the mother won't want it.
Alright.
Come on, let's go.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Okay, there. He's sitting right there. Now he's over here. Be careful, he's gonna run out in the street and get hit by a car. He's gonna poop on you.
I got it. Oh my God. Alright. I got you up. I'm going to put you back. Alright. Yes. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry. My poor baby. Okay. I'm not going to bother you no more. Oh, they fly already.
You got one in.
I think they're ready
The
to
mother's
fly.
right there.
I think they're ready to fly.
There's one there now. One there. That's 2.
Okay, let's go before you're...
There. Oh my God, I'm sorry. I think they're ready to fly, Mom.
The
See?
mom's right there in the tree. So
Yeah.
let's go. She'll take care of them.
Alright, I'm sorry, guys. Love you so much.